I thought I would probably clarify something about the letter of introduction that I emailed all of you, and that is that it seems to say opposite things, and I'm a little bit worried that people might not understand. So the general idea is that all students have to show up to the mandatory introductory meeting on June 27th, and that's kind of what it says. But then it goes on to encourage some of you to get a head start. You can get a head start of almost 6 weeks, thereby effectively turning it into a 12-week course instead of a 6-week course. And if you get a head start, and if you know what you're doing and you're obviously being successful, i.e. you're getting A's on the homeworks, both the software homeworks and the book homeworks, and you've read the material online and you've read the syllabus and you know what you're doing, then you pretty much don't need to attend the mandatory introductory session. You can attend it if you want to meet me and things like that, but you don't have to. So I wanted to explain that and also remind you of where a copy of this letter is should you forget about the letter. Notice that one of the very first things that it asks you to do is to try to get in to MyMathLab and register for MyMathLab, and it's $105 basically, and there is a 14-day free preview if that uh, is something you're interested in. However, on the next video, I'll show you a little bit more about getting in to MyMathLab.